I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here's the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Under the Bit Apps Access group, click on the Users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.